trying to give keys out, dude.
I know, cause there's too many niggas standing by each other, man.
The whole
they got
server's
back up.
having a.
You gotta back up right quick.
Bro, this server's mad weird, yo. On everything.
Alright, this
It's
ain't
fucking
Laggy as hell right
crashing.
now. I had to F quit, but I got back in with that big cryo.
okay. 12 is alright. 12. Go ahead and transfer a key. Well, give a key. You should be able to give keys to nearby. So you do type key / keys, and you should say give key.
No, it just say I gave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like 6 keys to Poppy.
6 keys to Poppy.
Is there a reason why you're on that radio?
Poppy, you got 6 keys now, bro.
Did I say you could be on that radio?
Yo, why you on that
I
radio?
don't think I said you could be on that radio, bro.
What the hell happened to Poppy?
I don't think I said you could be, bro.
You gotta get up out of here, bro.
Did I say you could be on that radio, bro?
You gotta get up out of here, bro. This is trespassing.
Hey, where Poppy at?
Hey, you got the key?
Poppy got all the keys, I think. How many keys you got right now, 12? Oh, there go Poppy right there. Alright, now give the keys out, Poppy.